Welcome back to the Money Mastery channel, where we empower you with the knowledge and skills to take control of your finances. I'm your host, and today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're going to dive into the world of budgeting, specifically tailored for beginners. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Alright, let's jump right in. So, you want to take control of your finances, right? Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success, and today, I'm going to share with you my top 5 essential budgeting tips that will set you on the path to financial freedom. Tip number 1, track your expenses. Now, this might sound simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. Begin by examining your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts. Categorize your expenses into different buckets like housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. This way, you'll get a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Tip number 2, set priorities. This is crucial for beginners. Take a good look at your expenses and identify what truly matters to you. Are you spending too much on eating out? Maybe it's time to cook more meals at home and save some serious cash. Remember, your priorities should align with your long-term financial goals. Tip number 3, create a realistic budget. Budgeting doesn't mean you have to cut out all the fun stuff from your life. It's about finding a balance. Start by setting aside money for your necessities, like rent, utilities, and groceries. Then allocate a portion for your savings and investments. Finally, give yourself some guilt-free spending money. The key here is to be disciplined and stick to your budget. Tip number 4, emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and some of them can hit you right in the wallet. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will act as your safety net during tough times and prevent you from falling into debt. And finally, tip number 5, review and adjust. Budgeting is not a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Make it a habit to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. As your income and expenses change, so should your budget. Remember, flexibility is key to staying on track. So, there you have it, my friends, 5 essential budgeting tips for beginners that will put you on the fast track to financial success. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What budgeting tips have worked for you? Share your experiences and insights in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. That's it for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button again.